Hey friends, if you wish to install Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video and I will guide you through the procedure. Now, it's a little tricky because if I was to download Google Chrome from the Microsoft Store, it wouldn't even show in the results. It basically bans its competitor. So Microsoft doesn't want you to install Google Chrome. But if you want to install Google Chrome, then you can search for it in the Bing search bar. Now, why did I say Bing search bar? Because if you don't have Google Chrome, most probably the default browser will be Edge. And now scroll down and click on this option, Google Chrome. It will try to hide this option as well. And then click on download Chrome. And then for Chrome setup, click on yes, and then it will start installing Chrome on your system, but it will need a while to download and install all of this. And when you search for it on the Microsoft Store, it may be that Microsoft is trying to deter you from it, so these search results would be pushed really down, and that it would still mention that you do not need to download a new web browser and try Microsoft Edge. And Microsoft Edge has this claim because it is using the Chromium base as its base browser. Once Google Chrome has downloaded, you can expand it. You can sign in if you have a Google account, and if not, then you don't really need to sign in, and you can skip it. And you can also change a few settings and all. You can customize Google Chrome. You can change the color, the theme. You can make it green, red, yellow, anything that you want to. You can change it to the dark mode, which I usually prefer, or the light mode, but this is very painful to the eyes. And you can also create a lot of shortcuts. You can customize these options here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.